So first of all, hello everybody, hello, yes. Okay, so I'm back in my home city, Medan, Indonesia. So just as a thing, after this you'll be seeing two Indigo reviews and two Sri Lankan Airlines reviews, so watch out for that. And anyways, so let's talk about this slide. So this is from my transfer time from Delhi, right? So we're heading to Bombay. This will be on an A320 CO. Departure 7 sharp. Let's see what time our plane actually departs. We only had 40-minute transfer time, quite tight. And Delhi security, one of the worst ever, okay? And next, we almost missed our plane, okay? It was not like we were not standing in line checking our thing. We were running to the gate saying Bombay, literally the gate agent was like final call for Bombay, and then like we go down and then a multiple gate. We couldn't find which one's our gate. So we just went to the first one. Luckily it was. So we would have missed our plane if it weren't for airport congestion in Delhi. So thank you all the airlines that were involved in that, because they said that the plane was held up in the gate for about 15 minutes late because of airport congestion. So we didn't miss our flight because of airport congestion. So thank you. So that's all about the flight. Now let's see our trip report, shall we? 45 minutes late now. Still not departed. Still taxiing. Long taxis. So now we got information that the plane in front of us reported a boredom, and now they're clearing up the runway. Pilot, we're number 3, and then the pilot's taking off, reported a bird, and now they're clearing up the runway. They're clearing up the runway from debris or everything. Announcement from the pilot. And we are currently about 46 minutes behind departure, behind schedule, and we still haven't taken off yet. Okay, good night. Toilet as last time. We have that soap, and then we have the attendant call button and all those things. Similar to the CityLink I flew on first time. Yep, that's it. Okay, the soap, toy, no cigarette sign, everything. Yeah, now I need a pee. approach it was looking not so nice, but then landing, yeah, we landed at Chhatrapati International Airport. I have successfully landed, and the landing was quite smooth actually. They hovered for a bit and then they touched down. So it was, I wouldn't call it butter, but it was very nice. I wouldn't call it butter. If I'm not wrong, this airport got a 2-star Skytrax rating recently. It's not 2-star at all. By the looks of it, it's Changi level. Like maybe in between Changi and like a bit lower. So like I'll give it like 4 stars. I don't know what's up with Skytrax, or maybe I just suck at reading. I'll check once again once I get home. I'll have to check once again. This does not seem 2-star at all. It looks beautiful. Like check it out. Yeah, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.